Christmas is a beautiful time of the year, and making Christmas crafts can make this season even more special. Simple handmade decoration can bring warmth, creativity, and happiness into our homes. You do not need expensive materials to create something beautiful. With a few simple things and little imagination, you can turn ordinary materials into lovely Christmas decorations. Crafting is not only about making beautiful things, it can also be a peaceful activity when we need a little break from our busy routine, when we sit down and focus on cutting, decorating, painting, or creating. Our mind gets a chance to slow down. This is why many people enjoy craft as a relaxing and calming hobby. Sometimes our days become very busy and we forget to give ourselves a little time. We keep thinking about work, family responsibilities, and many other things. A simple craft project can give us a quiet moment where we can focus on something enjoyable. Even a few minutes of creative time can make the day feel lighter. Christmas crafts are especially fun because they bring a festive feeling into the home, and you can make stars, ornaments, wreaths, little trees, gift decorations, and many other beautiful things. Every handmade piece can add a personal touch to your Christmas decoration. One of the best things about DIY craft is that there are no strict rules. You can choose your favorite colors, materials, shapes, and designs. You can follow an idea or create something completely different, and your creativity is what makes the final result. You can also use simple recycled material for Christmas crafts. Old cardboard, fabric pieces, ribbons, paper bottle jars, and leftover craft materials can become beautiful decorations. Recycling can make crafting more interesting because you never know what beautiful thing you can create from something simple. Making crafts, making Christmas wreaths can be a wonderful creative activity. You can decorate it with ribbons, flowers, stars, small ornaments, or handmade details. When you finish it and place it on your door or wall, you get that lovely feeling of creating something with your own hands. Christmas ornaments are another fun idea. You can make simple hanging decorations using paper, fabric, cardboard, or other safe crafts materials, and you can create different shapes and decorate each one in your own style. Handmade ornaments can make a Christmas tree feel more personal and meaningful. Crafting can also be a wonderful family activity. Children and adults can sit together and make simple decorations. Everyone can share ideas, choose designs, and enjoy the creative process. These little moments can become beautiful memories. Sometimes we think we need to be perfect when making something, but crafts are not about perfection. They are about enjoying the process and expressing your creativity. A small handmade decoration does not need to look perfect to be beautiful, and if something does not turn out the way you expected, don't worry, you can change the design, add another decoration, or simply try again. Every craft teaches something new, and every mistake can become part of the creative journey. It's a very amazing, different, highly demanding, and very creative, very useful craft ideas. So take a little time for yourself this Christmas. Gather your simple craft supplies, choose any idea, love, and start creating. Let your handmade stay busy, let your imagination follow, and enjoy the peace feeling of making something beautiful. Christmas is not only about decorations and gifts, it is also about creating happy moments and spending time with loved ones and appreciating the little things. So make something with love, enjoy the process, and let your handmade crafts bring a little extra happiness into your home this Christmas. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for supporting my channel. And do let me know which ideas you would like to see in the next video, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos. Thank you so much. Take care. and goodbye. Thank you. Thank you so much. Christmas is a beautiful time.